Hello kids, welcome to CIA YouTube channel. Okay, so now we start learn about the letter F. 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 Okay everyone, your turn. Again. Good. Okay. And the sound of letter F. Okay, your turn. Again. Good. Okay. Teacher read for you again. F. F. Okay, take turn with teacher. Teacher say the word F, all you the sound F. Okay? F. Good. Your turn. Teacher sound F, all you letter F. Okay, you say first. Okay, good. Clap your hands together. Good job. So now, everyone, how to write uppercase F and lowercase f. Okay? Okay, everyone, look at teacher. Start with teacher. Down, across, and across. Okay, one more time. Down, across, and across. Okay, everyone, please let's try with teacher. Okay. Down, across, and across. Okay, your turn again. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we continue about lowercase f. Okay. Let's start with teacher. Round down, middle cross. One more time. Round down, middle cross. Okay, your turn. Round down, middle cross. Your turn again. Okay, great. So now we continue about the word that start with letter F. Frog, frog, frog. Everyone, your turn. Okay, good. So now we continue. Fun, fun, fun. Good, your turn. Yes, very good. Okay, the last word. Fin, fin. Fin, your turn. Yeah, great. Okay, everyone, listen to me again. This is a frog. This is a fan. This is a fin. Okay. So now we start from the letter and sound for teacher, with teacher again. F, frog. F, fun. F, fin. Okay, so now the end for my lesson. Everyone, please don't forget to practice at home. Okay, goodbye kids.